How's it going, YouTube? I just got my new parts in to fix my Dreamcast. Well, one of the many. I've got a few backups. But all your components, your resistors and fuses, come in that. I think it was $11. You're going to need some solder. Of course, soldering iron plugged up. Got my little electrician bag. Got all my goodies in there. The old man eye. For those who ain't that young anymore. And basically what's going on is the controller fuse, which it's right in there. I've got it removed, but you can see the sockets where it belongs, right in there. And this little gem here will replace it. That's from having wires that are frayed on your controller, or plugging it in or unplugging it while the system's running. It ain't good for it. My soldering iron's getting ready, and I'll hit y'all up with another one. Let y'all know how it all went. I need to get a battery replacement too, but that'll be on another video. And I just wanted to say Happy Father's Day and peace out from Texas, y'all.